guitar players. I believe you must have heard something called arpeggios and triads, right? Now every chord you see, every major chord, like for example the C major chord is made up of 3 notes, right? If you play these notes individually or separately, this is what we call an arpeggio, or we are arpeggiating. So what I did was, for every chord in the major scale, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, I played the arpeggio of that chord. This is what I mean for do. I played do, mi, sol. For re, I played re, fa, la. For mi, I played mi, sol, ti. For fa, for sol, for la, for ti, then do. Now somebody might be asking, why do I need to learn all of this? Because it's going to improve your soloing vocabulary. Like there are some jams that I want to solo on. What will make sense on it? Like there are some times that you want to solo, and then one of the techniques that brings out the beauty of a chord is knowing how to solo with the arpeggios. This is an arpeggio. This is just me playing around the notes in the la, la, do, mi, la, ti, do, ti, la. So this is the importance, alright? So let me go over it now. So for do, then for re, for mi, for fa, sol, ti, re. Now let's take it very slow. If you're watching this video, I hope you are with your guitar so that you practice it as I'm teaching you, because I don't want you to just watch and then you're not practicing, okay? So pick up your guitar and let's practice. So do, do. Another tip that will help you to make this thing stick is to practice this with your metronome, alright? So make sure you have something giving you good tempo and timing behind. So again, let's move to the next note. All of this is happening on the 5th string. The 5th string. Alright? The mi is again. Next fa, fa. Again, fa, la, do. Then sol, sol, ti, re. Again. Then la. Sorry. La, do, mi. Again. Then ti. Again. Ti, re. Then do. Again. So when you get to this point, then you can play it in reverse order. Again. Then ti, ti, fa, re, ti, then mi, do, la, mi, do, la, then re, ti, sol, then do, la, fa, then mi, sol, sorry, ti, sol, mi, then la, fa, re, then sol, mi, do. So all together, if you play it like linearly now together, like I played re, fa, la, mi, sol, mi, fa, la, do, sol, ti, re, la, do, mi, ti, re, fa, do, mi, sol, sol, mi, do, re, ti, mi, do, la, da, da. play with the timing. Okay. Right? So this is how to play arpeggios on the guitar. Now, what this thing plays, the importance of this thing is, like for example, when I hear a chord progression, right, I can simply play the arpeggios. For example, if a chord progression is playing in the background, I can just play. I can just play around using the arpeggios. So what I'm going to do is to play a chord progression and then use arpeggios to explain what I mean. So this is in the key of, this is in the key of D. Yeah, so that's how to play arpeggios. So if you have any questions regarding how to play arpeggios and all of that, you can ask me in the comment section. So I've also created tutorials on how to solo, and if you're struggling to solo, I'll always say it, I have courses that teach you how to solo from scratch. The link is in the bio below. So just get it if you're watching and coming here for the first time. I know you enjoy what you saw, so click on that like, subscribe, and watch other content. Watch other content on the channel. I'll see you in the next video.